Hi.
Welcome to Farming Discover YouTube channel. Now we will show a video on coconut seed growing fast and simple using coco peat. How to make coconut tree grow faster. To select a coconut for germinating, choose a fallen nut in which you can hear water slosh when you shake it. The trick to growing a coconut palm tree is to keep the coconut well watered during germination without letting it sit in overly wet soil. Take a pot or any unwanted bucket to recycle it by growing plant. Fill the bucket with 50% soil. Now place the coconut seed inside pot. Here, we are using coco peat for the better coconut seed germination. How to grow coconut using coco peat. Coco peat be mixed with soil, it acts as a soil conditioner and improves the physical properties of the soil to be more favorable to plant growth. Coco peat soil is made from the pith inside a coconut husk. It is naturally antifungal, making it an excellent choice to start seed growing. In a comparison of coco peat versus soil, the peat retains much more water and releases it slowly to plant roots. The coco peat is recognized as a valuable product in agriculture and horticulture. It is now widely used as a soil alternative to grow plants in containers without using soil and also used by farmers and home gardeners as a soil conditioner. Advantages of coco peat over soil. Plants grow faster and healthier in coco peat than in the soil. Retains nutrients and water for a long time and supplies them whenever the plant requires. No risk of soil-borne diseases. Plants develop healthier and stronger roots in coco peat than in the soil. Coco peat is Thank you for watching. Like the video and share with your friends. And if not subscribed our channel, subscribe Farming Discover.